to make this week great. Please watch the Hope Week video after announcements for more information. Congratulations to Ms. Schroeder's first hour on having the most school spirit for the month of January. Congratulations to February Students of the Month from 5th grade Dane Rich, Jamie Stevens, and Colette Scoglin. 6th grade Caleb Robinson, Carly Jones, and Marley Barton. From the 7th grade Kason Adams, Shelby Cole, and Thatcher Rich. 8th grade Annie Barker, Blaine Hemingway, and Dublin Ralphs. Stop by the office to win your prize, and congratulations again!
Student Council has hidden hearts around the school. If you find one, take one to Mrs. Carter for a treat. Hearts will not be hidden in classrooms, bathrooms, locker rooms, or the library. The Student Council are doing candygrams during lunch until this Wednesday, or until they are gone. Fill out a card to send a candygram to a friend or that special someone.
This month, our library theme is Love is a Battlefield. There will be a competitive competition between each grade. The grade who reads the most pages will win a treat. We are also doing blind dates with a book, and some classes will be doing speed dating with books. There will be a game during lunch on the 26th that goes with themes during lunch.
The Art Extension will be meeting after school this Thursday, February 13th. Come bring your creativity and have a blast creating. All students are welcome. You don't have to be great at art. Just come and join the fun. Make sure you arrange a ride home afterwards. 5th grade activity and Valentine's Day dance will be on February 14th. No F's, no U's, and no UA's to be eligible.
Now a message from the Hope Squad!
Please stand and repeat after the 5th graders.
I fill my mind with positive thoughts.
I am a likable and interesting person. I'm proud of my hard work and dedication.
Have a great week, Wolverines!
So for this year, we've been focusing on selfie, and each day this week we are going to be doing a different letter. So first letter in selfie is S, and that's for sleep. E is for exercise. L is for light. F is for fun. I is for interaction, and E is for exercise.
One thing I like about Hope Week is the dress-up days. Make sure to dress up.
Today is Recharge Your Selfie Day. I hope you're wearing pajamas.
Tuesday is athletic wear. Wear your favorite sports team or jersey. Hats are allowed if they're sports related.
Wednesday's Wacky Wednesday. Wear weird clothes.
Thursday, stand up, stand out, wear neon Thursday.
Friday's the dance and it's best dress. Just do not wear this.
There'll be lunch activities in the gym on Wednesday and Tuesday.
By participating in the lunch activities, you will get raffle tickets.
On Thursday, we will be having an assembly. We will be drawing the raffles at the assembly.